Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Honorable examiners, my name is Suci Citra Lestari and I am a student of Teachers Professional Education Program at Universitas Muhammadiyah Ponorogo, majoring in English Education. Today, on November 4th, 2025, I would like to take the video performance assessment. I will demonstrate a teaching process at SMK Niko Al-Farizi, grade 10, with the material procedure text. My student's identification number is 253604 and 5. Here is my identity card. Okay, thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
How are you today?
I'm fine. And you?
I'm good. Okay. Before we start the class, I would like to ask you a question. How do you feel today? Are you happy?
Happy.
Who is happy? Oh, you. Who is sad?
No.
Okay. Now, how does that worry?
No.
How about this?
No.
Okay. How about excited? Excited? Oh, you are excited. Okay. How about scared? What is scared? What is scared? What is scared in Indonesia? Yeah. Okay. And then sleepy? Maybe sleepy? Are you sleepy? Are you sleepy? Sleepy. Okay. Just drink water or wash your face. Yeah. Okay. And then love? Feeling love?
No.
Okay. How about angry?
No.
Okay. Next. Before we start today's class, I have a song. It's called the Good Morning Song. Do you know about this one?
No.
Okay. Okay, please stand up. Stand up. Are you ready? Okay. So I will sing it now. Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Good morning, everybody. How are you? Good morning, everybody. How are you?
Good morning, my student.
Good morning, my dear. Good morning, everybody. How are you?
Very good. Okay, before we start today's class, let's pray together. So I need the class leader. Who's the class leader? Okay, please come forward.
Before we start the class, let's pray together.
Muhammadin Nabiyya wa Rasulah.
Aditya Firmansyah.
Yes, I am.
Okay. And then Ahmad Wafin. No one? Oh, he is sick? Okay. How about Aina? Good job. How about Akton?
I'm here.
Good job. And then Cahya?
Sick.
Oh, sick. Chef Kamil? How about Eva? Okay. And then Haisha? Present. And then Hilya? Okay. And then Irma?
Yes, I am.
Okay. And then Kyla?
Sick.
Oh, sick. And then Lenny?
Yes, I am.
Oh, Lenny. And then Zaid?
Sick.
And then Muhammad Rafa?
Sick.
And then Irfanuddin?
Sick.
Okay. How about Randy?
Play.
Okay, Randy. And then Putri Hidayah?
Sick.
Okay. And then Rahma Sania?
Sick.
And then Reno?
Yes, I am.
Okay, hello Reno. And then Rindin?
Present.
Okay, how about Rizvi? No? Oh, six. Okay, how about Safira?
Yes, I am.
Okay, how about Siti Ayu?
Yes, I am.
Okay, and then Siti Nurhalidia?
Sick.
How about Siti Zahra? Okay, how about Shifa?
I'm here.
And then Yusi?
Sick.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, before we start the class, so let's sing our national anthem. It's about Indonesia Raya. Please, I need one person to come forward. Please come forward. Okay, please conduct the song. Okay, stand up, please. Here. uniform. Please check your uniform. Is that already clean and ready? Clean? Okay. How about the table? Is there any trash or rubbish? Please pick up. Oh, please pick up the bottle. No, there's no trash. Okay, thank you so much. So the class already clean? Clean. Okay, good job, guys. while, we already learned about imperative verb. Do you guys still remember? Imperative, what is imperative? Kalimat perintah. Okay, let's check it again. Okay, the first one, what is this? Are you sure? What is that? Okay. How about this one?
Big.
This is big. Good job. How about this one? Do you know? Raise your hand. Okay. Next, how about this one? Okay, nice. How about this one? Okay. Next, how about this one? Full is melipat. Okay. Next, how about this one? Fry. Okay. Next, how about this one? Good job. This one? Good job. And then this one? Good job. Okay. Nice. Give it up for everyone. Now, let's check our prior knowledge. Okay, so in the previous meeting, we learned about imperative sentences, which is command or perintah. Okay, like cut, mix, boil, and then another example, what is it? And then?
More.
Slice. Okay, good job. Okay, how about this one? Can anyone guess what kind of text uses a lot of command like that? You know?
Process.
Yeah, good job. This is about procedure text. Okay. Now, I have essential question. So, what did you have for breakfast today? Breakfast?
French
Fried
fries.
rice. Okay, fried rice. And then,
Sandwich.
what do you need to make it? Oh, sandwich, fried rice. Okay, how about fried rice? What do you need? Only rice? Rice with egg? Or not? Oh, tomato. And then, how about sandwich? We need
Bread.
bread. Yes, good job. And then, what kind of text do you think we use to explain to make something? How to make something? You know? This is about procedure. Yes. Nah, so this is our material for today. So I have a video. Please pay attention to the video.
Well, everyone, what menu do you usually have for breakfast? Is it fried rice, sandwich, chicken porridge, soda, or cereal? My favorite breakfast menu is banana or cheese pancake. In this video, I'll tell you how to make it. Let's just get started. The ingredients that we need are an egg, 2 bananas, 2 tablespoons oatmeal, 1 teaspoon butter, and cheese for garnish.
that's shown in the video? What kind of food?
Banana.
Yeah, pancake ya, banana or cheese pancake. It looks delicious, right? Delicious? How about the ingredients that we need to make it?
Egg.
Okay, banana and then
Egg.
and then butter, cheese, and then what else? Oh, okay. And then what words do you hear when the video shows the instruction? What is it? Food and then and then wish. Yeah. And then okay. So for today's meeting, I have the learning objection, which is tujuan pembelajaran. Jadi tujuan pembelajaran untuk hari ini adalah peserta didik dapat mengidentifikasi fungsi sosial dan beserta struktur dan unsur kebahasaan dari prosedur teks. Selanjutnya, peserta didik dapat menyusun langkah-langkah prosedur teks dengan urutan yang tepat. Selanjutnya, peserta didik dapat bekerja sama dalam kelompok untuk membuat proyek atau project resep makanan khas daerah Tasikmalaya. Coba kira-kira makanan khas daerah Tasikmalaya apa aja? Boleh, ada lagi? Boleh, ada lagi selain itu? Minumannya mungkin? Cendol, boleh ya? Oke. Lalu setelah itu peserta didik dapat mempresentasikan hasil proyek dengan percaya diri. Nanti kita coba ya untuk presentasi. Okay guys, so now I would like to explain about the material procedure text. So procedure text is a text that tells us how to do or make or assemble or operate something. Jadi prosedur teks itu apa? Teks yang bagaimana katanya? Memberitahu. How to do itu apa? Cara melakukan sesuatu, cara membuat sesuatu, cara merakit sesuatu, ataupun cara untuk mengoperasikan sesuatu. Nah, this is about the genre structure. So how many are there? How many? How many? Three. Yeah, the first one is goal. The second one, material. The third one is step. Langkah ya. Okay, in goals or tujuan, we need what we want to make or do. Especially in the title ya, there is a goal or tujuan. The next one, materials contains what we need to do. And then the last one, the steps is how to do it step by step. So I have the example. Okay, can you analyze the journey structure? The first one is goals. Okay, good job. How about the second one? Materials. And then the third one? Steps. Nice. Good job. Very good. Okay, how about the language feature? We use simple present tense. Simple present tense we use for one. Yes, we use verb one. And then imperative, what's imperative? Kalimat perintah. And then connectives or noun. This is apa? Kata hubung. For example, first and then second and then next. Okay, good job. The last one is adverb. What is adverb? Kata keterangan. Adverb of type or adverb of manner. So this is the types of present text. The first one is recipe. So the previous video is about recipe, yeah. And then the second one is instruction, and then manual, rules of game, and then direction. Okay. Next one, mendesain. base game itu apa? Apa? Nanti ada games dulu ya. Gamesnya itu tata caranya kalian berkelompok dan harus menyusun langkah-langkah yang sudah saya acak atau sudah saya potong-potong ya. Oke. Nah, sekarang menentukan proyek dan kelompok ya. Oke. Team this one. Which one do you choose? 1, 2, or 3? 1. Okay, how about this one? 3. How about this one? 2. Okay, untuk kelompoknya berarti masih dengan kelompok yang di pertemuan sebelumnya ya? For kelompok 1, which one? Kelompok 1, okay. Your recipe is, what is it? Seblak. Okay, seblak. So you have to create a poster about seblak. And then 2. Yes, about tutup ancol. And then the third one. Okay, kupat tahu. Okay, so this is the alphabet. This is for team black ya. And then this is for team kupat tahu. And then this is for team tutup ancol. Okay, before we start the race, the game race, let's sing a song. Okay. Please stand up. Okay. Are you ready? Ready. Okay. This is a walking song. for team 1, team 2, and team 3. And then this is your final project. Yeah? The goals for today is to make a procedure text. Which color do you want? Okay, which color do you want? Okay. And this one, okay. This is for your final project. Be ready for the race, yeah? I will count it. Ini ditulis ya. Which middle ya? Oke. Kalian boleh memilih mau yang berwarna atau yang belakangnya. Boleh ya, bebas ya. Silahkan. Asah kreativitas. Okay. Have you already arranged the paper? Okay. Okay, I will count it. Only one member ya, one by one, okay? One by one ya, okay? 3, 2, 1, ready? Go! Okay, which team is faster? Only one person is fine. Okay, good job. Only one person. Okay. Finish it? Finish? Finish. Okay, the first one is group 3, and then the second one is group 2, and then the last one is group 1. Okay, let's check in. Okay, the goals, ingredients, and steps. Nice. Goals, ingredients, and steps. Okay, nice. How many ones? Okay, good job. Okay, now let's make a poster. Okay, please make the poster. Okay. Please ask a question or ask me if you need any help. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, you can cut it, you can decorate it. Yeah. This yeah, you can decorate it with this one, yeah. Okay. Yeah, this one. We'll start from goals, ingredients, and steps. And then you can decorate it with picture or drawing. Stamp. Okay, oh, this is one and one, okay? Who needs help? Finish. Don't forget to fill this one, yeah? Don't forget to fill this Okay, do you have any question? Let me see your project, your progress. Very nice. Picture. You can see progress done. Where is the material or ingredient? Let me see your project. Where is the ingredient? Oh, this one. How does the steps? Please fill it. Fill it. The steps. This one. You already fill it. Okay, nice. Any questions? Do you have any questions? That's good. prepare your presentation. You will come first for presentation. Okay, for the introduction. Ready? Finish? Oh, where is your group member? Cook. Shallot. Garlic. And what? And salt. Yes. Stir. Mix your chop with warm shallot. This is shallot. This is garlic. Serve with fork. It's ready to eat. Which one? This one? Salt. Then stir. Warm rice. Peanut sauce. Peanut sauce. And then fried onion, and crackers. This is double L. Okay. Ada yang sulit pengucapannya? Chili and salt cooking oil. Serve in hot pan. It's ready to eat. Crackers and garlic. This is garlic. Garlic, salt, cooking oil, and water. Nice. Okay, group 3. Are you ready to present it? Okay, so group T already finished their poster and then they want to perform it in front of the class. Ready? Good. Okay, please come. Please pay attention. Okay, group 3, are you ready? Okay, don't forget to introduce yourself. 3, 2, 1.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from group 3. The member, my name is Aina Pujasja.
My name is Siti Ainul Aziza.
My name is Irman Mawati. My name is Syifa Pujasja Aziza. My name is Siti Zahra Aziza. Here we presentation in how to make tutup oncom.
Tutup oncom. Oke.
Ingredients oncom, sausage, pizza, and snacks, first, fries, shell, belly,
Please come forward. Come forward. Everyone, please take a look at the picture. Come forward. This is Adele tutup oncom. The recipe for tutup oncom. This one. Can you see? Okay, good. Okay, anyone have a question? Do you have a question? Question? Raise your hand if you have any question. Okay, team 2 ya. Okay, please introduce yourself.
What ingredient?
And then don't forget to introduce yourself. Your name.
My name is Aditya Maharisa, and my question: What ingredients do you need?
Okay. What ingredients do you need to make tutup oncom? Yeah.
we need cooked rice, oncom, shell, garlic, chili, salt, and cream.
Okay, so we need cooked rice. What is cooked rice in Indonesia? Nasi yang matang, and then oncom, and then shallot. What is shallot? Bawang, and then garlic. What is garlic? Garlic, and then we need chili. What is chili? And then salt. What is salt? Garam, and then oil.
Minyak.
Okay. Already answer? Finish? Yeah.
Finish.
Okay, thank you. You can close your presentation.
Thanks. Thanks for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Give applause. Good job. Thank you so much. Okay, the next one, please. Ready? Are you ready? Okay, come. Ready?
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Where are you from?
We are from Group 2, and my name is Aditya Firmansa.
My name is Aisha Mawati. My name is Sinyoga. My name is Safira Lestari.
And we hear a presentation goal how to make kupat tahu. Ingredients:
Fried egg, fried tofu, spinach sandwich, sweet soy, cabbage fried, onion, and crackers.
Okay, come forward. Okay, let's see, guys. This one. Okay, this one. This is from group 1 or 2? 2. Okay, this is how to make upat. Okay. Anyone, do you have any questions? Okay, please.
What is the goal of your test?
Okay, what is?
How to make
Oh. So the goals of your text is about how to make kupat tahu. Do you know kupat tahu? Do you like it? Okay. So we need what ingredients that we need? First is rice cake. What is rice cake? No, rice cake is ketupat. Ketupat. And then we need tofu, fried tofu. What is fried tofu? Tahu goreng. Fry is goreng ya. Fried tofu is tahu goreng. And then peanut sauce. What is peanut sauce?
saus kacang,
Saus kacang. And then
sweet
sweet soy sauce. What is it? Anyone know? Sweet soy sauce? This is kecap. Kecap manis. Ya, sweet soy sauce. And then
bread,
fried onion. What is onion?
bawang,
Bawang.
Goreng.
Okay, bawang goreng. And then
cracker,
crackers. What is crackers? Kerupuk. And then the first step, we need to cut. What is cut? Okay. And then pour. What is pour? Do you still remember what is pour? Pour is menuangkan. What is pour about peanut sauce? And then sprinkle. What is sprinkle? Anyone know what is sprinkle? Sprinkle is this one. Sprinkle. And then the last one, serve it with crackers. What is crackers? Kerupuk. Okay. Give applause, guys. Let's go. You can close your speech.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Alright. The last group, are you ready? Okay, please come.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from group 1. My name is My name is Gary Sulami. My name is Fitri Zafarini.
my name is Apollo Manda.
My name is Heroida Fadila.
This is our poster. How to make sebelah. Ingredients: crackers, garlic, chili, egg salt, cooking oil, and water.
Boil the water in a pot. Add the crackers and salt.
Set it hot and it's ready to eat.
Okay, finish? Okay, do you have any questions? Okay, please. What is your next question?
What will happen if you skip 1 minute step?
Okay.
The food will not be good.
Oh, okay. So the question is about what will happen if you skip the step. What step? Apa tuh artinya? Apa yang akan terjadi jika kamu melewati aja satu langkah? Misalnya, what is your... Oke, tidak direbus dulu misalnya, langsung aja dimasak. Berarti hasilnya nanti kerupuknya jadi keras.
sebelah.
Okay, let's review. So we need crackers. What is crackers? Kerupuk, and then garlic.
Bawang.
Okay, and then chili.
Sabi.
And then, do you like spicy?
Bawang.
Spicy, and then egg, telur, and then salt, and then cooking oil, and then the last one is water. Okay, and then how about the first step? Boil. Okay, do you guys still remember what is boil? Boil, merebus. Okay, merebus airnya ya. And then add the crackers or tambahkan kerupuk ya, kerupuk yang lengkap ya. And then cook until soft. What is soft? Lembut atau empuk ya, soft. Okay, and then fry garlic and chili oil. Fry is fry garlic and chili oil, add crackers and salt, and then stir well. Do you guys still remember? Stir. What is stir? Aduk rata. Okay, and the last one is serve it hot and it's ready to eat. Okay, good job. Give applause, guys. This is the picture. Can you see? Nice. Good job. You can close your.
Thank you, friends. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, thank you so much, guys. Okay, so for the next activity, please take a look at your alphabet. And then there is refleksi kelompok. Please fill it first. We have two reflection. The first one is group reflection and the second one is personal reflection. So it's individual, yeah. Please fill it. Yeah? You have a question? Members name, right? that if you face when creating procedural text, what challenges? What is challenge in Indonesia? Tantangan apa tadi? Membuat poster atau project poster ya. Oke. Want to try? Number one maybe?
Difficult to draw.
Okay. So your challenge is difficult to draw or decorate your poster.
Yes.
Oh, okay. How about this team? Doing the presentation. Okay. And then how about this one? Do you face any difficulties? During presentation. Okay. The next one. So what did you learn from your local food? What did you learn from the local food? Learn. Dipelajari apa sih yang kalian pelajari dari makanan lokal kita, yaitu dari Tasikmalaya ya. So there are so many food. There are so many food. For example, tutung oncom, and then seblak, and then kupat tahu. And then, how was your teamwork today? Are you satisfied with your teamwork? Good? Good. Okay. Next. Okay, so I have some evaluation or feedback here from group 1. This is group 1. Okay, let me see your posture. Okay, this is very good. You add chili. You draw chili. Who's draw this? You. That's great. Okay, let me see about the general structure. Start from the goals. Okay, nice. And then the second one is ingredients, and then steps. Okay. So my feedback is your poster is already good, but for the performance, your pronunciation, like when you present your presentation, you have to be confident ya. Harus lebih percaya diri lagi ya. Untuk strukturnya sudah bagus ya, sudah meruntuh. Nice, very good. Okay, the next one. This is from team 2. Okay, so I have some feedback for you. For the structure, it's already good. Its first is goals, ingredients, and the last one is steps. Okay, for this one, maybe the evaluation from me is this one. So before I give you the clue, you misspelled this one. Small with only one L, right? It must be double L. Okay, so it just from the spelling. Okay, and then the pictures already good, and then this one, the members one is so small. Members. and then in the future presentation or in the future project, maybe you can add some decoration in here. We already have this one, right? And the colors of pencil marker. Thank you so much for doing this one. Okay, this one. Okay, this is about how to make tutung oncom. Okay, actually this is the best poster. Give applause. Why is that? Because the first one, the structure is great, goals, ingredients, and steps. And then the second one, the decoration is really eye-catching, interesting and eye-catching. The first one, this is the ingredients, and then the group. You add beautiful here. Oh, that's good. And then the group. Okay, so Siti Ayu, Siti Zahra, Shifa, Irma, and Aina. lagi. The lady is beautiful. Okay, good job. Okay, so for the future project, this is the recommendation. This is very good. Okay. For the performance, you guys are a little bit shy. Why? Shy. Maybe you can practice more your pronunciation, how to open or how to close the presentation. Okay, that's good. Give applause for everyone. The next one. Okay, the journal reflection. Have you already feel it? The journal reflection, that's individual. Yes. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, the journal reflection, you must fill it now. We have 13 minutes left. Yep. Have you already filled it? Yeah. You have two? Two? This one and this one? Okay, please fill your individual reflection. I already gave you in the Alta PD the personal reflection. Please start now. Already finished? Only somebody lagi. Orangmu banyak kan? This one? Coba kelompok ini. Oh, baik. Untuk kelompok 2, tadi kan kelompok 1 kesulitannya adalah oke. Kesulitannya adalah arah ya, saling bertentangan arah. Kalau kelompok ini berarti di bagian presentasinya ya. Oke. Bagaimana? Apa yang paling membanggakan dari hasil kelompokmu? Oh, berarti dari games. Tadi yang menang games itu siapa? Oh, tuh. Tapi kalian juga kedua ya. Oke, boleh. Lalu bagaimana kerja sama tim kalian selama proyek berlangsung? Good. Okay, good job. Very well, very good. Next, how about this team? Bagian tersulit dari kegiatan ini apa? Mendesain poster. Oke, berarti kalian itu langsung ditulis di poster atau dirancang dulu? Oh, langsung. Oh, nice. Lalu bagian yang paling membanggakan dari hasil kelompok kamu apa? Betul, nice. Mendapat nilai poster yang paling baik. Lalu bagaimana dengan kerja sama tim kalian? Terus? Semuanya membantu?
Yes.
Oke. Lalu selanjutnya saya ingin perwakilan untuk refleksi individu. Tolong. Dari kelompok ini perwakilannya. Ya, individual journal dan sudah kan dibagi satu persatu. Boleh perwakilan saja dibacakan. Apa hal yang baru hal baru yang baru kamu pelajari di kegiatan hari ini? Oh, dalam bahasa Inggris biasanya berarti pernah membuat prosedur teks, tapi in Indonesian language ya. Bagian mana yang paling menantang bagi kamu? Menggambar. Kamu suka nggak menggambar hobinya? Do you like it? Oke. So what is your role atau peran kamu dalam kelompok? Menulis. Oke, menulis di dalam poster atau di LKPD? Poster. Oke, bagus tulisannya. Lalu nilai apa yang kamu pelajari dari makanan khas daerah? Oh, mengetahui resep kupat tahu. Yang biasanya mah hanya membeli saja ya. Lalu apa yang ingin kamu perbaiki pada proyek berikutnya? Harus lebih kompak lagi. Oke, thank you so much. Oke, this one. Oke. Oke. Apa hal yang baru kamu pelajari dari kegiatan hari ini?
Yang bagus dari kita belajar cara bersosialisasi, membuat
Oh, cara berpresentasi ya untuk membuat visual. Oke. So, bagaimana yang paling menantang bagi kamu? Oh, merancang struktur dan menggambar. Oke. Selanjutnya, apa peranmu? Where is your role in your group? Drawing. Oh, this is chili. Chili and then what is that? Hot. Oh, hot. Oh, spicy ya. Yes. Lalu nilai apa yang kamu pelajari dari makanan khas daerah yang kamu buat?
mengetahui makanan daerah sebelah
Mantap. Oke, good job. Delicious ya. Oke. Lalu apa hal yang ingin kamu perbaiki di proyek selanjutnya?
kekompakan dan kerjasamanya.
Oh, kekompakan dan kerja samanya. Oke, thank you so much. Oke, next one. I need one representation from this group for the individual journal. Please it. Apa hal yang baru kamu pelajari? Okay, but in English, right? Okay, how about bagian yang paling challenging untuk kamu? Dengan bahasa Inggris. How about the opening? You can do it, right? And then closing.
lebih sehat, enak dan mudah dibuat.
Oh, it's healthy and then it's easy to make. Okay. And then apa yang ingin kamu perbaiki pada proyek selanjutnya?
Kekompakan dalam berpresentasi.
Oke, kekompakan ya, sama ya. Overall, refleksinya itu ada dalam presentasi dan kelompok ya. Next. This one I have the information for our next meeting. For our next meeting, we are going to learn about asking and giving direction. Asking is, what is asking? Bertanya, and giving memberikan. How about direction? Anyone knows what is